Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to make your LinkedIn posts more engaging and fun, learning how to post a GIF is a game changer, especially with the updates in 2025. GIFs can add personality to your professional updates, helping you stand out in a crowded feed. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps so you can do it yourself in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account on a desktop or mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to your homepage and look for the Start a Post button. It's usually right at the top. Click on that to open the post creation window. Now, in the post editor, you'll see various options for adding media. Spot the GIF icon or the media upload section. LinkedIn has integrated with popular GIF libraries like Giphy, making it super easy. Type in your search keywords, such as success or innovation, to find the perfect GIF that matches your message. In 2025, you might even see AI-powered suggestions based on your post's content. Pretty cool, right? Once you've selected your GIF, add it to your post. Don't forget to include some accompanying text to provide context. For example, if you're sharing a work win, write something like, "Celebrating our team's latest achievement." This makes your post more relatable and professional. Before you hit post, take a second to preview everything. Make sure the GIF plays smoothly and your text is clear and error-free. LinkedIn's 2025 updates might include features like analytics previews, so use them to your advantage. And there you have it. Your GIF is now live. Posting GIFs can boost engagement, spark conversations, and make your profile more dynamic. Give it a try today and watch your interactions grow. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.